Yo hustle fam, what's good? In this video, I'm answering the big question everyone's been asking. Can AI actually replace your 9-to-5 job? I put it to the test. For 30 straight days, I used only AI tools to replace everything I'd normally do at a full-time job, from making money, managing tasks, creating content, and more. No fluff, just real results, real tools, and what I learned. Let's dive in. 1. Setting the challenge. The rules were simple. No traditional job tasks, no freelance clients, just AI tools, a laptop, and internet connection. My goal: make the same amount of money I'd earn at a 9-to-5, around $3,000 for the month, using only AI. Here's how I planned it out. Week 1, build digital products. Week 2, sell services using AI. Week 3, grow passive income streams. Week 4, reflect, optimize, scale. Week 1, digital products. I kicked off by using ChatGPT plus Canva AI to build digital planners and ebooks. Created 3 productivity planners, designed an iTools guide, packaged and listed them on Gumroad and Etsy. Sales by day 7, $362. Time spent, about 2 to 3 hours a day. I basically handled all the writing, layout, and design for me. I just added style. Week 2, services with AI. Next, I offered AI-powered services on Fiverr and Upwork, short-form video repurposing, using Pictory. Blog posts plus SEO content, with ChatGPT. Notion dashboards, built with Notion AI. Within a few days, I had 5 clients and was booking $50 to $150 orders. Earnings by day 14, $1,021 total. Week 3, passive systems. Now I wanted to build stuff that makes money while I sleep. Uploaded AI-generated wall art to Redbubble. Scheduled Pinterest posts linking to my Etsy store. Started growing a faceless TikTok using Opus Clip and ChatGPT scripts. I spent most of this week automating, not grinding. Earnings by day 21, $1,948 total, and passive traffic was just beginning. Week 4, results and reality check. Here's the honest breakdown after 30 days. Total income, $3,487. Hours worked per day, approximately 3 to 4. Tools used: ChatGPT, Canva, Notion AI, Pictory, Opus Clip, Midjourney. But also, I had to be consistent. I had to market daily. AI doesn't replace hustle, it multiplies it. So, can AI replace your 9-to-5? Yes, if you treat it like a business. No. If you're expecting, set it and forget it. Money, the opportunity is real, but it's only as strong as your work ethic. If you want me to break down each income stream from this challenge, drop a comment below. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and join the AI Hustle Network for more weekly income plays. Let's replace your paycheck with AI, the smart way.